Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. We do daily videos talking about health and wellness tips and tricks, and in today's video we're going to continue our gemstone series talking about the power of the energy of topaz and this wonderful gemstone, what it is, what are the healing benefits, and what are the history, and a little bit of information about this gemstone. We're going to try to keep it as short and simple for you as possible today. So topaz is a wonderful yellow gemstone that's mainly used for jewelry for centuries. It's been used by different cultures and it has mostly a yellow bright color, but it can also be found in different colors such as orange, red, blue, and even green shades as well. And it's one of my favorite gentle crystals to use, and it can form massive clusters of up to 100 kilograms in weight, and it's one of the most hardest minerals in nature, and the color is often caused to be confused with less valuable citrine, and it has a beautiful transparent color all on its own. So topaz is mostly sourced in Brazil, as well as other areas such as Sri Lanka, Myanmar and the USA, as well as located in Russia, which is the pale blue topaz. And in terms of the historical use of topaz, ancient Egyptians associated the yellow gemstone with Ra, the son of God, and the Romans with Jupiter, the king of the gods. And it was actually used in protective jewelry, and it was considered as a gem associated with mystical properties. That was the belief behind the use of topaz, and it was said to change the color in the presence of poisons in food or in drink, and it was even used to detect poisons in food and drink back in the ancient times. A stunning giant topaz is actually located in the Portuguese royal crown as well. So in terms of the healing benefits of topaz is wonderful, specifically when it comes to the yellow topaz, because the yellow topaz is really important to help to be used to focus your mind on complex problems, and it's also believed to help in generating fresh new ideas. And topaz is valuable, and it's considered one of the best crystals for healing because it is considered as a detoxifying gemstone, and it's very beneficial for areas in the body such as the liver, gallbladder, and the whole body in general. It's used in healing therapies for these areas as well, and it has a toning effect on the nervous system, and it's believed to enhance overall energy levels and also bring inspiration and creativity in your life. So if you've used topaz before, I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. If you've used it, what are your experience with it? And if you've used any other gemstone you would like to share your experience, you're more than welcome in the comment section. So in this video we talked all about topaz in a simple and concentrated form as well. So if you enjoyed today's content, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Take care and have